front of me is HONOR Magic4 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change the food apps on this device. Firstly, go into Play Store. Now you need to click on the search bar and download your new food app. I will go with Opera mini browser. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, just select Home button and access device's settings right away. From here, you need to scroll down and click on Apps. Then choose the food apps and tap on one of those options. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, choose Opera Mini and click on the back button. As you can see, after that, my food app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!